Give me an energetic reply. How are you all? All right, that's quite good. Okay, so as ma'am has already told you that we are here for a session that will be based on a TV program that you all must have watched, right? That is Shark Tank India. How many of you watched that series or Shark Tank India? How many of you have seen that or follow? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then why this is a half midway? Can you please pull it up so that I can see it clearly? Alright, so many of you are aware that what is Shark Tank India, right? Okay, so let's have a quick quiz. Can we do that? Yes, of course we can, right? Okay, so who is going to tell me who is the CEO of boat?
Aman Gupta.
Aman Gupta, very nice. You are aware. Okay, let's take one more quiz. Vinita Singh. She is a co-founder. Piyush Bansal.
Lenskart.
Lenskart. That means you all follow Shark Tank India and now you are ready to be with us here for Future Business Shark. So, see, have you ever given it a thought? Have you ever given it a thought that you also want to become a future shark? Do you have any idea? कभी किसी ने सोचा है? कभी सोचा है कि हमें कुछ अपना स्टार्टअप करना है या हमारा अपना एक बिजनेस प्लान है या फैमिली बिजनेस है that we are going to expand our family businesses? अभी तक कुछ ऐसा आया है माइंड में? नहीं? सोचा है? Very nice. Give a big round of applause for her. Very nice. What's your name?
Mariam Malik.
Mariam. Okay. Mariam, तो क्या आपने कब ये सोचा है when you thought कि I want to expand it?
मैम बेसिकली तो बचपन से ही सोचा था कुछ अपना करना है बिकॉज फैमिली बिजनेस है बट कोरोना टाइम में जब बहुत लोग फायर हो रहे थे जॉब से मेटा जैसी कंपनी हो गई वो निकाल रहे थे एम्प्लॉयज़ को तो कहीं ना कहीं थॉट आया दिमाग में कि फ्यूचर सिक्योर नहीं है इन द प्राइवेट सेक्टर जॉब्स में मतलब तो क्यों ना खुद ऐसा कुछ किया जाए कि हम जॉब ना ढूंढें लोगों को भी जॉब दें अपने पास तो इसलिए मुझे वो आइडिया जनरेट हुआ
Well said. This is what you need. A self-drive. Self-drive comes from within when you start thinking about yourself. When you give that tube light to yourself, now, when it will start blinking. Okay. Alright. Have you ever seen a tube light when we switch on the tube light? How does it work? First it blinks, then it opens, right? So same thing we need to do in our life, that once you start thinking in your mind that I need to do this, what is this field? Do I need to explore it more? We are doing BBA, BCom, what are we going to do in future? What is the future perspective of this? When you will instill that thought in your brain and your mind will start working on it, then eventually you will end up working for yourself, right? तभी हम कुछ अपने के लिए कर पाएंगे. Is it right or wrong? बिल्कुल, because success is just a yes away. Success किसका वेट करती है? सिर्फ एक yes का. और yes आपको किससे मिलेगी? Wherever you will go to sell yourself, to sell your product, to sell your ideas. If you come up with those ideas and you are able to sell your ideas, that one yes can change your whole world. And your failure is just not yet. Failure होता क्या है? It's just not yet. कि अभी नहीं, but अभी नहीं से हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है कभी नहीं की. तो आपसे आपको क्या सोचना है कि from now onwards we are going to do it. थोड़ा से अपने आइडियाज हमें लाने हैं and we have to drive it. Okay, so today our session is about Future Business Shark, where I and my fabulous team is here, to promote. We have brought this stage for you where you can follow your dream to become a future business shark. जहाँ पे आप अपनी strategic awareness, corporate awareness और business strategy को apply करके whatever is there, whatever knowledge you have, whatever experience you have, उसके basis पे you will get some Amazing prizes we have for you, because this Future Shark is going to be a fabulous journey. So before I dive into this session of Future Business Shark, I want to ask you one question. What do you think? What are the main requirements, to start any business? क्या लगता है आपको? Any idea? Obviously, idea is there. What else? Capital, land, paper, labor. All right. What else? Research and market. Okay. What else? Uniqueness. Okay. All right. Well appreciated. Your all answers were somewhere correct. But before this, what are the 3 key ingredients that you need to start any startup? If you have any idea, is your business awareness, is your dedication, and your consistency. If you have these 3 things with you, if you are consistent enough, if you are driving your thought, if you are aware of the business or market, and you are consistently doing hard work, you are surely going to achieve it. Alright? Okay. How many of you have ever negotiated in market or in any shop, to lower the price of the product? किया है कभी किसी ने? कभी शॉप में गए हो कि भैया इसे कम कर दो पैसे में? किसी ने नहीं किया है? अरे वाह, सबने किया है ना? इसका मतलब ये है कि सब यहाँ पे बिजनेस स्पेशलिस्ट बनने वाले हैं. सबकी स्ट्रैटेजी वर्क करती है, पैसे को कम कर देना और प्रोडक्ट सस्ते में ले लेना. राइट? Okay, so these were the things that you really need to build in yourself to achieve your goal, if you have any. And if not, then start thinking over it, right? So we are starting our today's program, that is Future Business Shark. And I'll give you a brief about it, right? First of all, we have Hit Bullseye. Hit Bullseye has brought this stage for you all, where you can showcase your talent and your creativity. Round, that is your intra-college round, okay? So we will be giving you a scanner. You all will get it. Once we'll start distributing, then you have to scan that scanner and you will start taking your test. The total time limit for this test is 25 minutes. And you have 12 questions in it. And there will be a case study. You will read that case study. You have to save each and every answer then and there only. Otherwise, if you will move to the next question, then it will be marked as unsafe. So please make sure that whenever you will start taking your test, save your answers then and there. And then at final, you have to submit your test. Got it? Okay. Rajat, can we start distributing? आप scanners दे दीजिए.
को मार दो 360 को मार दो. स्कैन वगैरह करवाना है ना, वीडियो सबसे लास्ट में चलना है. ठीक है ना?
With your friends, you can share the scanner. By scanning that scanner, you will get a link. Open that link and then start filling your details. There are 2 steps for filling your details. First is your general details, that is your name, mobile number, email ID. And next then we have, just open your Google Chrome and there you will get the option of lens. If anybody is getting any problem, just raise your hand and ask. I'll come there to explain you. And then add 1, 2, 3. That's it. This way you will be able to, retain it.
कोई ऐसा समझ में आ रहा हो कि कैसे प्रोसीड करना है।
पता नहीं तो शुरू हो रहा है।
I will give you some taglines of famous products or companies. You have to tell me of which product this tagline belongs to, right? Okay. The tagline is the taste of India. अमूल, ये तो आसान हो गया। अब इसमें किसको आंसर्स किसको गुडीज मिलने वाला है? सबको? Okay. I want you all to please raise your hands if you know the answer, and then I will select randomly who is going to get one. Right? Okay. The another one is, okay, think different. The tagline is think different. Yes, please. What's your name? Anu. Yes, it's Apple. Give a big round of applause to Anu. It's Apple. Ma'am, please one goodie for her. Okay. Next we have, what is the name of parent company of Instagram? जिसने हैंड रेज किया? Yes, your name? Muskan. Yes, Muskan? Yes. It's Meta, right? I already told you that you have to raise your hands, else how will we identify who is speaking, right? Okay. Ma'am, one to Muskan also. We can give a big round of applause to Muskan as well. She has also given a correct answer.
मुस्कान, आ जाओ बेटा।
Okay, can you tell me what is the criteria for a company to become or to be known as a unicorn? किसी भी कंपनी का कितना वैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया होना चाहिए so that we can tell it as a unicorn? Recently, अभी in Corona time there was a company, okay, who has become a unicorn there. कोई आइडिया है? हाँ जी, yes, what's your name? हाँ, name? खुशबू, yes, खुशबू. Around 1 billion. All right, that's the correct answer. It's not around, it's exactly 1 billion. Okay, your company's evaluation should be 1 billion to be known as a unicorn. And during Corona, I don't think कि आपने इसको इतना research किया होगा. What is the full form of APJ Abdul Kalam? Ayushi. Yes, can you please recite it? Oh my goodness.
It's Abul Pakir Abdul Kalam.
Yes, very nice. Please give her a big round of applause. Aishi, please come. All right. We are coming with few more questions. All right. This is from your state question. I hope nobody is searching it over their mobile phones, right? क्योंकि जिसने सर्च करके आंसर दिया उसको क्या मिलेगा? Back claps. Okay. Tell me the name of Governor of Haryana. Anyone? थोड़ा सा पढ़ा तो है. किसी को भी? No one? I can see half raised hand. No. No one? Nobody is got it? Huh? Yes, correct. It's Shri Bandaru Dattarya. Right. Well done. Your name? What's your name? Sakshi. Sakshi, did you search it? No? You are knowing it. Well done, Sakshi. Give her a big round of applause. Okay, now which company has launched Kindle e-reader product? Which company has launched Kindle? The name is Kindle and it is a platform, online platform of electronic reading. In this platform, all the books, novels, stories are available online which you can read on Kindle. Yes.
Amazon.
Very nice. What's your name? Arvi. Aarti. All right. Please give a big round of applause for Aarti. It's Amazon. ठीक है? If you will ever search on Amazon, Kindle एक product है जिस पे आप कुछ भी चीज रीड कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली, राइट? ओके. Okay, there is one more famous tagline. इसको लगा डाला तो लाइव झिंगा लाला. कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है? और सबने आंसर बोल दिया. अब किसको गुडी मिलेगा? गुडी आंसर. इसको ही नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. इससे सस्ता और अच्छा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. ये किसकी है? Yes, you got the chance, no? No. नहीं. Hand raise करो. No. Try once. No. ठीक है. Yes, you try once. No, Myntra नहीं है. Myntra में कहाँ सस्ता मिलता है? ठीक है. Anybody else wants to try? नहीं, ट्राई करते रहो. थोड़ा बाहर आओ ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग से. ऑनलाइन कौन बोला? वेरी नाइस. इट वॉज अ गेस. व्हाट्स योर नेम? गुरमीत. वॉज इट अ गेस और यू वर नोइंग इट? गेस. चलो गेस पे भी हम दे सकते हैं. एटलीस्ट यू गॉट द करेक्ट वन. ऑल राइट. ओके, इट्स बिग बाजार, राइट? ओके, इससे सस्ता कहीं नहीं. All right. We'll take the last question for this quiz round, okay? And that would be सीधी बात, no बकवास. Which product is this? थोड़ा सा. नहीं, पास आओ. उसी के आसपास. लेस के साथ क्या लेते हो? कौन बोला? नाइस. Who is this Sprite one? What's your name? Kamya. Okay, Kamya, you were knowing it? Guess था. All right, but we can give it to Kamya. It's Sprite. All right. Thank you everyone.